I show you how you can adjust the handbrake. This is what you need to find in the rear wheel. To tighten the brake you need to move up that little screw, and if you want to loosen it you need to move down. Normal is like this, but here at this car a little bit like this in the right. Like this we tighten the brake. You need to tighten the brake until the wheel is not spinning, and after that loose the wheel 5 gang. This is all for today. I was Julian. If you want to support my channel, don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.